Good morning, good afternoon pala. Magagabi na. Hello! O, saan na?
Now finally, I want to let you guys know that I've started to post custom Instagram.
Asan si Gia?
Video posts about
Anong gagawin mo sa buhok ko?
I do a fun little challenge. So if you want to see that,
Ha?
follow it.
Anong gagawin mo sa buhok ko? Ba't mo papatayin yan?
Ito kasi
Buksan mo! O, yan, pindutin mo. Yan si Eman, o, busy. Eman, hi.
Yummy.
Tama na! Oh, wala na kami electric fan, Eman. Wala na kami electric fan, ni Gia. Oh, iniwan na tayo ni Aling Mali. Ano ba ginagawa sa buhok ko?
That's I'm working.
You working?
Yeah.
Salon?
Yeah.
You want to cut my hair?
Yeah.
Cute naman. Naglalaroan na naman yung buhok ko ni Aling Maliit. Hello mga sis! Come on.
Haircut.
Ay, you make haircut?
Yeah.
Haircut, mommy?
Yeah.
Oh,
Mommy,
oh yeah.
can I get haircut?
Time to haircut?
Yeah.
Okay.
I baked your hair. Don't you want, Mama?
Okay.
You want pink?
You want pink? Ah, you want to color my hair?
Yeah, I
Okay.
have it.
Come on. Pure black my hair. My hair is pure black. Hindi pa yan nararanasan ng kulay ng matindi. Yung mga kinukulay ko lang yung mga nabibili lang sa palengke na tigpo 40. Ano ba pangalan nun? BG? Yan. Mm. Pero pag kulay sa salon, hindi ko pa nararanasan yun. Ayoko, nakakasira ng hair. May ano yun eh. Ang tawag doon. Ang tawag doon nilalagay nila. Bleach.
Yeah, time to go to the beach.
Nilalagay nila lang bleach.
Yeah. So fun to
Kaya
play.
ano pa tong hair ko? Fresh. Minsan lang din tong nariban.
Fresh.
Yan, sa buong buhay ko. Minsan lang nariban ang aking buhok.
No.
Kaya black na black siya.
I
Oh.
like it. Now.
Black na black ang buhok ni Mami.
You down.
Pure black. Buhok ni Mami.
Wow.
Ouch! Ouch!
So cool.
So good! Say cheese! Oh, you're done?
Yeah.
You're done?
Yeah.
Oh, ano lang ginawa mo?
I have it.
Oh, how much? How much?
How much?
Oh. Kano bayad?
No, I think you want no hair.
Aray ko. Sinasabunutan mo naman eh.
No, I think you, my baby.
Okay.